This one is good, mature. Yes, put it in the basket. Safety check complete. Is the manifest ready for the factory? Yes, all secured and labeled. You are good to depart. Understood. Departing now.
Look at the efficiency numbers on screen 3. We're exceeding the target by 10% this hour.
Flow rate is stabilizing right on target. Purity levels remain optimal across the board.
The conductivity levels look stable.
Yes, and the turbidity is well within tolerance. Hispanic female laboratory specialists collect samples for testing. The coconut water undergoes multiple quality checks. Scientists analyze taste, color, and composition.
The temperature in tank 4 is holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. Proceed with the transfer sequence.
Temperature levels holding steady at 72 Celsius. Flow rate is optimal. We are cleared for batch release.
Stated SACE. Rapid cooling systems reduce the liquid temperature. Freshness is maintained through precise controls.
Coconut water-filled bottles move toward sealing equipment. Caps are applied automatically at high speed.
Pallets 3 through 6 are cleared for racking on level C. Update the manifest.
Across highways and cities to distribution centers, our efficient team ensures fresh coconut water reaches many regions.
Look, this one has no added sugar.
Oh, wow, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
The pressure reading on the upper manifold is spiking again.
I see it. The nozzle alignment seems slightly off. Let me adjust the calibration.
Sustainability programs support environmental responsibility. Coconut shells are collected for reuse. Byproducts are processed efficiently. Sustainability programs support environmental responsibility. Coconut shells are collected for reuse. Byproducts are processed efficiently.
Management teams review daily production results. Performance indicators show strong efficiency. Quality achievements are celebrated. A complete production process, from plantation harvesting to bottling success. Modern technology supports every stage, ensuring efficiency and remarkable manufacturing.